So, phonemic intelligence programs have been compared to mindfulness programs, and those programs are gaining a lot of popularity in the US schools, particularly to address this issue of social-emotional learning problems. So, what exactly is the difference between mindfulness and phonemic intelligence?
Mindfulness is a watered-down version of a Buddhist technique called Vipassana. You just close your eyes and then can get to a quiet state of mind. And from that quiet state, you acquire a ability for better concentration. It's a good technique, but it cannot go to different parts of the brain and then activate different intelligence functionalities, as no research has proved that it improves specific parts of the brain as we have done.
So, I'm also here with Sunny Dasgupta, a bioinformation scientist, and he has some questions for Dr. Pillai.
My work involves studying diseases at a molecular level, also at a DNA level. You have spoken about how PI activates intelligence. I would also like to know if PI can play a role in healing the body, but diseases.
So you have to broaden the concept of intelligence. Intelligence is not only in the brain, the neurons or the synaptic gaps when neurons fire. Intelligence is everywhere. The cells are very intelligent. As you know, as the DNA is intelligence. And it has also ignorance. Because of that, it creates diseases. Otherwise, it won't create diseases. Now, we have a study we did at SRM University. We used the medical students of SRM as subjects. This is about 5, 6, 7 years ago. What we found was they used the same sounds that we used in phonemic intelligence. At that time, it was called mind sound technology. What we found was, as the students started working with the sounds, there were a lot of biological changes, blood chemistry change. So the one thing they found was the cortisol level came down. So the sounds not only affect only the brain, but also biologically it changes. So in ancient times, they used it to heal people. Sounds were used as healing. You have evidence in all scriptures, almost all scriptures, that sounds were used to heal. Okay? There's a lot of information about the sounds. It's just only beginning to unfold. My goal right now is very focused. It is only to help people to enhance their ability to comprehend different subjects such as physics, chemistry, math, because these are challenging subjects, and also fine arts and languages as well. So once we prove that, then it can go into almost every field and then prove that sounds can play a vital role in changing our biology, in changing our psychology, and also behavior. Because what we have found in New York is the suspension rate of what they are called the rowdy students came about 50% low. Okay, after they practiced, because it goes and acts, influences the anterior cingulate, which is part of the brain below the corpus callosum, which helps with behavior, emotional stability, and so forth. So I'm very excited about it. And then if you need more information on phonemic intelligence, you can go to the website, and you will have more information about it.
Thank you.